Moringa oleifera is a plant that has been praised for its health benefits for thousands of years. It is very rich in healthy antioxidants and bioactive plant compounds. So far, scientists have only investigated a fraction of the many reputed health benefits. Here are 6 health benefits of Moringa. Before we start, make sure like and subscribe Alpha Health channel for future content. Now let's start the video. 1. It contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. A single nutrient stands out in many of the healthful foods you consume. Consider vitamin A rich carrots, vitamin C rich citrus, and vitamin E rich almonds. Moringa leaves stand out as a superfood because 1 cup of chopped leaves contains significant amounts of potassium, vitamin A, vitamin E, and magnesium, as well as being an excellent source of iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and riboflavin. In fact, the leaves have a higher vitamin C content than oranges. As a result, Moringa can help with everything from vision and immunity to bone health and skin vibrancy. 2. It may be beneficial to your sex life. Stress can have a negative impact on your sexual life. It can alter hormone levels, causing cortisol to rise and dopamine to fall, resulting in a decrease in libido. Moringa has been shown in animal studies to not only lower cortisol levels, but it may also naturally enhance testosterone levels, a recognized sex drive booster. Moringa extract was found to improve sexual function in stressed mice by lowering cortisol and boosting testosterone levels in one study. 3. It has the potential to protect the liver. Consider your liver to be your body's detoxifier. Moringa may help it perform better by filtering the blood, detoxifying toxins, and metabolizing fat. To begin with, Moringa includes significant levels of polyphenols, which help to reverse oxidation in the liver, and preliminary study has revealed that Moringa consumption can help to prevent liver damage and fibrosis. 4. It has the potential to decrease inflammation. There's a new inflammation fighter in town, and it's not turmeric. Moringa has been demonstrated to reduce inflammation in cells considerably. Moringa decreases inflammation by decreasing inflammatory enzymes and proteins in the body, as well as containing anti-inflammatory polyphenols and isothiocyanates. 5. It aids in blood sugar regulation. Increases in insulin and blood sugar levels can produce mood swings and sugar cravings, as well as type 2 diabetes and obesity. Then there's Moringa. In lab trials, the leaf powder reduced cholesterol and glucose levels while also controlling oxidative stress. In one clinical research, postmenopausal women who took a supplement containing Moringa and amaranth leaves for 3 months experienced therapeutic antioxidant qualities as well as decreased fasting glucose levels. Moringa in the diet has even been shown in animal studies to help with weight loss and insulin resistance. 6. It might help with digestion. Moringa leaf powder includes about 30% fiber, the majority of which is insoluble, which is important for digestion as well as lowering your risk of disease. Moringa is a natural antibiotic and antibacterial that can assist to prevent the growth of germs that cause digestive problems. Moringa's anti-inflammatory qualities have been shown to aid with digestive illnesses including colitis, and it may also benefit gut bacteria, according to a recent study in mice. At the end, we always recommend asking your doctor before taking it. Thank you for watching to this point. Don't forget like and subscribe.